It feels so good. It feels so freaky and magical and fun, and I just can't believe I'm really here. I learned so much from watching them. Jamie is always on set. She's always ready. She's always ready to go. So I think that really inspired me to stay in it a lot. Oh, yes, absolutely. We did so much prep. We did movement coaching, and oh, thank you so much. We did movement coaching, and we had a lot of training before, and I watched so many of Lindsay's movies. And I mean, I'd already seen them, but of course, it demanded a rewatch. So I think I've seen the original more times than I can count now. Yeah. Oh, that's such a crazy question. I think my favorite. I mean, filming the swap was so good because when we were done, we felt so proud, and that was early on. So we knew that if we could do that, we could sell the movie. So that feeling of relief, and everyone was there because we had a lot of scenes where we weren't together because we separate. So I think that was really good. It was just being together and that relief of we can do this, guys. We can do it. We had a brilliant stunt team. Helped us a lot with surfing, the physical comedy, because there's a lot of it. So well, Chad Michael Murray's in it. I don't know if that helps at all, but no, I think it's the perfect family movie, and it's so rare that we get like a fun, feel-good movie to see with your friends in theaters for summer, and I think it's just the perfect opportunity to walk a mile in someone else's shoes and hug your mom a little tighter, hug your dad a little tighter, just appreciate that feeling of nostalgia and togetherness.